This is the ghost of the skies, the Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's answer to fifth-generation dominance. Deep in the Russian Far East, where temperatures drop to -40, a legend is forged from titanium and secrets.
Внимание! Высокое напряжение.
The blended wing body is unique. It generates lift from the entire fuselage, not just the wings.
To remain invisible to radar, the claws must be hidden. Internal bays carry the hypersonic payload.
Проверка соосности первого двигателя. Следите за зазором на кольце вектора тяги.
3D thrust vectoring. It allows the felon to perform maneuvers impossible for Western jets.
Systems check.
Radar AESA active. Artificial intelligence co-pilot online.
Born in the cold, ready to burn the sky. The rollout is complete.
Взлет разрешаю вперед.
Super maneuverability confirmed. The felon is hunting.
Connecting the Bielka array. Side-looking sensors active. We see everything.
The pilot is not alone. A sophisticated artificial intelligence acts as a digital co-pilot, handling the complex stealth systems.
Cannon seated. Feed chute alignment confirmed. It bites hard.
Loyal wingman link established. The drone accepts my target designation.
-50 degrees. Most electronics would die here. The felon just wakes up.
Return pre-contact. Stabilize. Contact confirmed. Fuel flowing.
Prototype stage is over. Now, we build the fleet. Serial production is full speed ahead.
Stealth, speed, super maneuverability. The Su-57 is not just a machine. It is a warning to the world. До свидания.
Seat rail alignment locked. Pyrotechnic circuits connected. This is the pilot's last chance.
Indium tin oxide layer is uniform. It traps radar waves, preventing cockpit cavity reflections.
Vimple missile secured in the main bay. Fold the grid fins. Check clearance on the bay doors. Even with radar off, the felon sees heat. The IRST tracks the animal's engine signature from miles away.
Afterburner stage 3 test. Hold brakes. Full reheat.
Felon 1 to Felon 2. Formation tight. Switching to combat spread.
Super Cruise. Flying supersonic without afterburners. Saving fuel for the fight.
It sleeps now, but it is always ready to wake. Clear the pylon! Bringing up the Kinzhal! This is the heavy hitter! Mach 10 capability!
Target acquired off bore sight. The missile looks where I look. Fox 2.
The Himalaya system doesn't just hide the plane.
It blinds the enemy. We become a ghost in the static.
Unlike delicate Western stealth jets, the Felon is a soldier. Concrete, dirt, snow, it fights from anywhere.
Quick disconnects clear. Slide the replacement is Delia 30. We need this bird in the air in 20 minutes.
Terrain following active. Altitude 50 meters. Speed Mach 0.9. Staying under the radar net.
The evolution continues. A two-seater command variant. One pilot to fly, one to control the drone swarm.
It is an apex predator, born from the cold. A masterpiece of titanium and terror.
From the drawing board to the stratosphere, this is how Russia builds a legend. I am Sergei. Keep your eyes on the skies.
She runs hot. The stealth coating needs to cool down slowly before we touch the panels.
Downloading telemetry. Ghost signature confirmed. The radar logs show 0 detections.
In the sim, we fly against F-22 and F-35 models. We learn their blind spots.
This is not a drill. Scramble! The regiment must be airborne in under 5 minutes.
Runway wet. Vesilet approved. Good hunting.
Target designated at 200 kilometers. R-37M missile solution is ready.
Fire.
Rough landing. Rough landing. But the gear held. Good bird.
From the factory to the front line, the Felon is no longer a ghost. It is a reality. This is Russian air superiority.
Approaching 9G. Squeeze the legs. Breathe. Hold it, hold it.
The next evolution. Flat nozzles. They scatter the heat plume, making the infrared signature almost impossible to track. Missiles are smart. The cannon is honest. 150 rounds of simple physics.
Northern sector clear. Radiation levels normal. The lights are bright tonight.
The machine can pull 10 Gs all day. The limit is the man inside. How do you endure it?
The Felon goes global. The Su-57E. Same lethal DNA, adapted for the sands of foreign allies.
Fire in the hole! System discharge. Fire is out. The bird is safe.
One pilot. 4 loyal wingmen. The Su-57 is not just a fighter. It is a flying command center for the drone swarm.
Titanium bones, digital brain, human heart. This is the Su-57. End of transmission.
We enter the zone silent. Use the Okhotnik drone as bait. When Viper commits his radar, we strike from the blind side.
Felon flight, clear for takeoff. Drone link active. Good hunting.
Missile approach, 6 o'clock.
Okhotnik is jamming. The aggressor is blind. Felon, you have a clean shot.
Splash 1. Good fight, Viper. Returning to base.
In the air, it is a predator. On the ground, it is a work of art. The gap between man and machine is closing.
I never saw you. 1 second my radar is clear, the next, I'm dead.
That stealth is real.
The Felon is the present. But in the shadows, the next generation is already waking up. Spasibo. End of file.
To survive 2,000 degrees inside the engine, we grow the metal as a single crystal. No grain boundaries, no weakness.
One micro void in the titanium spar, and the aircraft is rejected. Perfection is the minimum standard.
The Felon will learn to swim. The Su-57K naval variant. Folding wings, arresting hook, dominance over the oceans.
Escorting the White Swan. We clear the path for the strategic bombers. Nothing touches them.
Rapid deployment. Within 24 hours, these jets can be anywhere on the globe, hidden inside the belly of an Antonov giant.
Ceiling is not the limit. With the new anti-satellite missile, the Felon can blind the enemy's eyes in space.
Up here, the politics stay on the ground. It is just you, the physics, and the sunrise.
It stands on the shoulders of giants, the flanker, the fulcrum, and now the Felon. The lineage is unbroken.
The Elbrus 8S. 8 cores of hardened logic. It processes threat data faster than the pilot can think.
Optionally manned, the Su-57 can fight without a soul on board. The ultimate ghost pilot.
Ceramic matrix composites. They handle heat that would melt steel, hiding the infrared bloom.
Directed energy weapons, not sci-fi. Testing is underway to blind enemy missiles with light.
Visibility 0. Sensors active. You are clear for blind takeoff.
Spin rate 60 degrees per second. Thrust vectoring engaged. Stabilizing now.
It's not just a fighter. It's a launch platform for the unstoppable. Hypersonic reach. Man and machine, pilot and AI. The Felon evolves. The sky belongs to those who dare. Pasibo.
The cold tries to crack the composite skin, but we keep her warm. She must fly in any weather.
Bogey is shadowing the border. I am escorting him out. No sudden moves.
Observe the flow stabilization. The vortex lift is fully engaged, generating significant low-pressure areas.
The new generation of warriors. They don't fly. They code, updating the electronic warfare suite in real time.
Contact. Taking fuel. 500 liters transferred.
We build for the future, but we are guided by the ghosts of the past.
Opening these doors at supersonic speeds is like opening a garage door in a hurricane. Hydraulic power is immense.
Она управляется как мечта. Даже на 50 тысяч футах она хочет танцевать.
Titanium, stealth, speed, and the soul of a nation. This is the Su-57 Felon. I am Sergei. Out.
Plasma stealth. By ionizing the air around the nose, we can theoretically absorb radar energy completely. It is dangerous science.
When stealth is not needed, she enters beast mode. External pylons attached. 6 tons of extra ordnance. A flying arsenal.
The interface reads my intent. I don't move the stick. I just think climb, and she climbs.
Kibini pods active. These will fry the guidance chip of any AMRAAM that gets close.
Evolution requires sacrifice. The early prototypes rest here under the snow, so the production fleet can rule the sky.
Dive angle 90. Speed Mach 1.2. Recovering. Now out.
Threat detected.
Drone 1 executing intercept protocol. The machine dies, so the pilot lives.
The Felon is real, but what comes next stays behind these doors. Спасибо for watching.